Hey everyone, welcome back. We are splattering and painting away with our good pal John David Berdahl. Welcome back.
Yes, thank you so much.
Absolutely. I'm trying really hard not to get any more on Sophia's shoes. She's not too happy with me right now.
Oh, it wipes right off.
Yeah, it ought to be.
I could never be mad at you.
And also, I got these at Dollar Tree, and
Okay.
they're sort of ponchos, and I got, of course, the primary colors.
Love it.
Right?
To
I got
match.
those, yeah,
Okay, so during the commercial break, you were telling us about that white container right there.
Oh,
and I
yes.
think that's important for our viewers to
Definitely.
know.
Okay, so this I got at Walmart. It's pour medium, all right? Because this is acrylic paint, but it's acrylic pour paint that we're working with. Okay,
Yeah.
not poor as in poverty, you know, and all of that. Pour as in,
know.
you know, take it and you know.
With a U.
Yes, exactly. Yes, with a U. And so yeah, you would take this and you would add this to the acrylic paint that you have to turn it into a pour sort of acrylic paint.
Okay.
And it would
Okay.
behave this way. Okay, because just acrylic paint out of the tube will probably just land.
It'll just plop.
Yeah, exactly. Whereas this will spread.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take a moment for our design so far.
Yes.
This is quite
maybe
the
run.
effort of love. If you can see a small little smiley face in the bottom corner down there.
That was an accident. Is that
Complete
spontaneous? Is that it?
Yeah, I just have magical splatter hands, apparently. I create realistic photos. It's a portrait
That's
of
great.
Sophia.
You want to be
That does
teaching
look
this?
like me.
That's.
There we go.
Oh, thank you so much. That's great. A realistic portrait of Sophia.
Okay, this is awesome. We talked a little bit about your classes, but we have some questions,
Okay.
you know, about you personally. Who is
Sure.
John David Berdahl, the man?
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So we're going to quiz you a little bit.
Okay.
We're starting off
On
easy.
myself? You're quizzing me on myself?
On yourself.
I can't get these questions wrong.
You really can't. So tell the people, what's your favorite movie?
Ooh, the one I've watched the most. Favorites for me are a little different. How autism manifests for me is my brain doesn't really have favorites.
Okay.
Okay, but the one I've watched the most is Ghostbusters.
Ooh.
That's a good one.
Will you get
9 times in a row.
In a row?
In a row in one sitting.
That is
Okay.
quite impressive.
Yes, it is.
That's the whole day.
Yeah, exactly.
love
That
it.
is the whole day.
Okay, so what is your favorite go-to activity in Fargo?
Ooh, golly, so that would be like going to see a movie at the Fargo Theater.
Ooh.
Classic.
Definitely, you know, I head there as often as I can,
Yeah.
you know, because I guess I watch movies and whatnot, but also just some of these local sort of kind of fairs that we have too, so I can get to
Yeah.
know other artists, just to be around people.
Yeah.
And I've got a blue finger. That's really great.
Love it.
But yeah, that's the street fair especially.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Street
Yeah,
fair is
you can just walk around. You don't have to buy anything or eat anything. Just being there, the energy, right? You're just immersed in it. It's wonderful.
Yes.
Okay, here is maybe the most, I would say the toughest question of all.
Really?
What has been your favorite segment you've done on NDT?
Well, this one's up there. This one's
is
pretty
good.
neat.
This one's pretty fun.
The one I've heard the most about is either when I painted Jesse Ahmet's foot.
I do not remember that
Yeah, you
one.
weren't here for that,
was
but it's
before
like,
our
yeah,
time.
she sat down and I painted her foot, and we made Thanksgiving turkeys,
What?
you know, with a footprint, you know, and
Oh,
then
I
a
love
hand
that.
Wow.
print. Yeah, so that one's up there, and then I don't know. I think they would probably be that one. You know, at least that's the one I've heard the most about.
Pretty
you know.
funky.
Or there was one occasion where I was permitted to plug in a device over at the screen over there, that screen, and then so I could actually draw nice and big.
Oh,
that's awesome.
okay.
Yes, and so that was pretty swell. And I've been on. Thank you so much. Like I've been here. I've been allowed to visit like 70 times.
We love
Yes.
it.
You know,
That's
that's
why
how
you
it-
keep coming back.
Well, yes, there's so much. You know, there isn't just one. I don't know, topic to talk about with art. You know, there isn't just one way of doing things.
Well, and I think our viewers really appreciate it too. A lot of our folks have, you know, kiddos at home, and especially during these long winter months
Need to
or in the
occupy 'em.
summer when there's no school,
Yeah.
you do so many like fun, kiddo-friendly things that our viewers I know are taking home and trying
Oh,
with
yeah.
their family themselves. So it's so much fun.
Sure.
I think my favorite was the Jello.
Ooh,
No,
yeah, that was
that's
great.
I know a lot
Yeah,
of
the
people
Arctic
at
sort
home
of
were
scene or
excited
whatever. Yeah,
about
the
that.
sensory play, Arctic sort of edible. It was an edible
There
project.
you
too.
go.
And it was
who
delicious.
do you think ate the rest of the Jello?
Was it you?
It was me.
Oh,
Yes, I took it. I ate it for like 2 weeks because it was so much Jello. Oh my goodness.
Well, this picture is officially going to be hung up in
Yes.
our studio somewhere.
Oh, I hope so.
Got to figure it out. So thank you so much for coming on again, John
yes.
David.
Shall
We
we hold it up a
always
bit?
love it. There we go. Yeah.
Yes. Look at you guys.
Woo!
Amazing.
There we are.
Thank you again.
Ah!